Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how we can hook up an RC controller to our software-in-the-loop simulation. Having an RC controller connected to our software-in-the-loop simulation is going to be really beneficial to us when we're debugging our programs, because things aren't going to work the way that we wanted initially, so we're going to have to reset and kind of manipulate the drone, maybe not autonomously at first, but what this is really going to allow us is to really decrease our development cycles in between tests. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so I'm here on the Map Proxy documentation website, and we're going to be taking a look at the module joysticks. So come over to modules, and then down to joystick input, and then on this page you'll find a lot of information on what kind of dongles you can use, and also what command you can use to load the joystick, which it's really just simple. It's just module load joystick. So that brings me to my next topic. Basically, in order for your controller to talk to your computer, you're going to need to buy a dongle such that it understands your RC inputs. So I bought the Spectrum dongle, wireless dongle, and so this is a more expensive one, but there are some other cheaper options, which some of them are listed right here on the website. So that's pretty cool. So now let's go ahead and do an example of using the RC joystick in our simulator. So one thing that's really important is that if you've been following along in my tutorials, you'll notice that you don't have one of the prerequisites, and you're going to need to get this by typing pip install pygame. So I already had pygame, which is perfect. So now let's go ahead and launch our simulator like we've been doing in the last couple videos. Alright, perfect. So it looks like our software-in-the-loop simulation is coming up. So now let's just type the command module load joystick. And it looks like it got the Hobby Spectrum receiver, which is perfect. So what I've noticed is the best way to calibrate your joystick is to do the exact same RC calibration that you would do in real life. So let's go ahead and launch Q ground control so that we would calibrate it just as we would in real life for our software-in-the-loop drone. Alright, so go over to the settings tab, get a joystick, and then we'll go ahead and do the calibration. And we'll go ahead and center all the sticks, hit start, and then just go through the prompts. Awesome. So let's go back to the simulation and see if it worked. And so I'll put my stick down and to the right to see if it arms. Give it a second. And then we can fly it just like we would in real life. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple little video. I know that when I discovered this, it really helped speed up my development process. So I hope this helps you with yours. Until next time, see you in the next one.